Okay, so in this video we're going to repair this mark here. This was from paper that was left on the surface and it's stuck to the lacquer. When the paper was removed, it's left this mark. So we're going to use a scratch fix pen to colour the wood, and then we'll use some furniture restorer to buff off the excess. So step one is we just get the pen and start colouring the wood, and just wiping the excess off just lightly. Just try and feather it out a little bit so it sort of blends in with the undamaged wood. But we'll even it out properly with the steel wall. Now just use some steel wool restorer, nice even strokes, and just like a sort of firm pressure but not too hard. Okay, then just wipe off the excess with a cloth. So it's not perfect, but it makes it look a lot better than what it originally was.